Good morning from Ross's Point, New York. Bon matin to Ross's Point, New York. It's October 20th. And believe it or not, this is the first time I took the canoe out this year. C'est octobre 20, puis c'est la première fois que j'amène la canoe cet été. Cette année. So, I'm at Fort Montgomery. Over there is Canada. Over there is Vermont. Over there is the bright sun. Ça c'est vers Canada, Vermont. Le soleil. Le pont. Vermont, New York, Vermont. There's one border patrol, but no one's in it. So we were supposed to be in Maine, but because of COVID complications, we decided to cancel everything. À Maine, mais nous avons le COVID, on a cancellé tout. So, Patty a travaillé le matin, puis on fait des trips de journée l'après-midi. So, like I said, we canceled everything because we had COVID, but we're well over it. And then Patty works in the morning, and then we do some fun things in the afternoon. So, alrighty, from Ross's Point. Salut to Ross's Point.